In this part, we're going to set up our Google spreadsheet before hopping into our Glide app. So open a blank Google spreadsheet and name it whatever you want to correspond with your app. And then we are going to start off by having a date column and carrying that date down throughout the year. And then we are going to have a column for a title so that we can name our journal entries, and then a daily writings column for our daily journal, a progress column to track our progress to 750 words or 3 pages a day. And then I'm going to have different milestones towards that 750 word goal. And you can split this up as you like, but I'm gonna just go with 0, 100, 250, 500, and 750. So for the progress column, I want to count the words in each cell of a daily writings column. To do this, I'm going to have a formula that says if this cell is blank, then put 0, otherwise we're going to count, and we have to do this function because we're counting words, not numbers, and this function so that we actually count the words and not just the number of spaces. There we go. And then drag this formula down as well. So now when I type in I am writing, it counts number of words, etc. So now for our milestones, I want to show a color and a different hue of that color as I progress to 750. So to do this, I have to upload the images into a Google Drive and then get the shareable link. You can't just insert an image through the spreadsheet, unfortunately. So to do this, I just Googled like shades of green, shades of blue, shades of pink, and then took square screenshots of the shades I wanted. And then I uploaded them into Google Drive. And once I had everything, I just right-clicked it and hit share. And then I clicked get shareable link, and then I copied the link from here and added it into the corresponding column and dragged it the whole way down. In this case, you can just double click it and it will apply. If you just want to do it by month though, then you just copy and paste it until you don't want to show that color anymore. So by the time you're done, it should look something like this. So once you're done setting that up, I'm also going to have a second sheet called writing prompts. And I'm just gonna put a column here. And then I just Googled for articles or websites that had writing prompts and then copied and pasted that in here. Actually. So once you have this set up, you can hop into Glide Apps and we'll set up our app.